Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Dustin, Urban Specialist. So hey, I'm looking at a Grand Design Solitude, and I just come off the roof by doing a roof inspection. And when I was coming down the ladders, something that I noticed is, the ladders, they'll have like a foam pad behind them, but there's still no water deflection, right? So we want something to go around, sealant, to go around to make it water deflect. Also, wherever there is a screw or an edge or another screw. I've done other videos where I show you the star that's inside the tubes where the bolt, the back holds it to the pipe and this bolt holds it to the ladder. As we follow this ladder down, as I came down the ladder, back here on the back side, you see that fresh water? It hasn't rained here in quite a time, and that fresh water is dripping out of the tube. So, that's just another reason why we like to seal them. It might also be a good idea, if you're seeing this, is to maybe put a small pinhole somewhere in here so that if water does enter, it has a way of exiting. I don't see it coming out of this side, but it's definitely coming out of this side, So again, you can see the water dripping, and it ran down and it made a small puddle. So if you were in a cold area, we have had like different versions of the ladders, the ones that have like the U's actually freeze and crack and separate. So just a quick tip of the day, check your ladders, make sure that when you go up and crawl up on the ladder, that they're nice and secure, that you're not only tightening up this bolt, but if it's loose in the back here, that you attempt to pull this off, take that out and tighten up the backside, and then cap seal around them with any type of silicone. So whether it's Boss, GeoCell, NovaFlex, Dicor cap sealant, I can't even think of it now. Did I already say GeoCell? I think so. Anyways, it's a good idea to do that. And then always check your actual steps to make sure that nothing's loose. So typically they'll have this one screw sometimes in the back, and this one doesn't have it. They'll have a pin that goes through here as well to kind of pin it double. So if this thing ends up getting rusted or it gets fatigued and it gets too extremely loose, it takes a risk of snapping, and if it snaps, it basically is going to act like dominoes, and you're going to come down and hit this ladder hard, and it's just going to break. So I always recommend to use the A-frame ladder, when crawling up and down them. And stay tuned for more. This is Dustin, Urban Specialist. Hopefully this information helps you.